welcome to Progressions of the Alphabet Puzzle. In these progressions, I am going to be going through how you can help your child start to recognize the letters by their names. Allow your child to be situated somewhere next to you or near you. They might even crawl in front of you, as long as they're close enough where you can continue to encourage them and make sure they stay engaged. All right, so for our progression 1, we're going to go ahead and dump them all out. Or you can take a few off at a time. And then you're going to help your child put them back on, but you're going to give your child the name of each letter. This is A, B, C, this is D. Now, if you have a toddler, most likely they're going to be grabbing and trying to touch and try and get to the letters before you, and that's fine. We're going to do that anyways in progression 2. But for now, if they grab a letter, you want to encourage them. Oh, that's a K. You have the K. It goes right here. Can you put the K there? And you want to help them. Okay. Oh, you found the Y. Y goes right here. Now, you don't have to worry so much if they don't, they're not paying attention. They're just trying to place the letters because they've got busy hands and that's what they want to do. Either that or they throw it. So what you want to do, you can always take their little hand and guide them. The S goes right there. Grab their hand. The R goes right there. So again, it does not matter if this is out of order when they are putting, that's okay. At the end, we're going to go through and review. That's a very important step. So we're going to put all the letters on them. If they're not really interested, you're going to say, this is a T. This is the L. Do you want to hold the L? All right, L goes right here. Encourage them to touch and feel. Using more senses is going to help them to retain more memory. And of course, this is going to be very helpful after your child has had some introduction to letters, whether by media, listening to music with letter names in them, reading books with letter names in them, or using flashcards. I do encourage all those things. It's helping your child make a connection. If they've seen it before somewhere else, then they're going to be able to say, oh, I know that. Oh, I've seen that I before. I've seen that G and A, and it'll start to make more sense. Otherwise, it's just another puzzle. So you want to help them make more connections. So when you finish up, again, like I said, it doesn't matter if you've done them out of order, that's okay. Once you get them all on the board, every time you do this, you are going to go ahead and review by singing the song. I love the alphabet song. I learned it, but I learned it kind of, I say, in space. When you're doing this with your child, you're going to be actually pointing and showing them what they're singing about. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Reiterate that really good. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And that's what you're going to end with every time. I encourage you to do this at least 3 times a week with your child or more. I used to do it pretty much every day during the week. If you can't do it during the day because you're not home with your child, make it something you do maybe before dinner time or before they go to bed. That's how we do our progression 1. Let's move on to progression number 2.